give him an aircon in his house. Sabi ni Father Paul. At dun sabi nga po niya, nung pumunta siya sa village namin sa Concepcion, dun daw po niya naramdaman kung papaano maging isang hari. Kasi doon po pag dumarating siya, lahat ng bata lumalapit. Lahat ng bata niyayakap siya. Lahat ng bata nagte-thank you. To a point, pag dumarating po siya every year na nagbe-birthday siya, ang mga bata nagpe-prepare ng dances, pati mga magulang. Talagang sobrang pasasalamat nila kay Father Paul at sa bukas loob sa Diyos na partner po namin dito. Marami pong tumaya sa village namin na ito dahil nakita nila yung pagbabago ng pamilya. Naging partner din po namin dito ang PCEC at ang UST Batch 76 College of Medicine. And the good thing about it is, sustained po yung programa. Yung po mga taga-UST Batch 76 ng College of Medicine, mga maraming magdo-doktor dito, inadapt nila yung community up to now, walang iwanan. Sustained po. They visit twice a year, they help in the programs, tinutustusan po nila yung mga pamilya. Kaya yung po mga nasa village namin, ang sabi nga nila, sobrang maswerte kami. Kasi hindi lang kami binigyan ng bahay, hindi lang kami binigyan ng dignidad, binigyan kami ng pag-asa. At sa pag-asang ito, binigyan kami ng kakayanan upang magawa namin na maging totoo sa buhay namin ng pag-asang ito. Kaya po yung GK Concepcion namin na ito, kompleto po ito, may library din po sila, mayroon din po silang potable water, may kuryente, and meron po kaming isang partner dito, naggagawa po kami ng wig. So, those people who needs wig, go to Cabiao. Isa po sa livelihood na itinuro namin sa mga taga-village na ito ay gumawa ng wig. May partner po kami dito na Japanese and they're the ones helping us. We train them and then they buy yung aming mga produkto, dinadala nila sa Japan. Kaya po, ang bawat pamilya, in a week, they earn about 2,000 pesos. So, yung pagkain nila, sinasagot na nila. And sabi nga namin sa kanila, dun sa mga values formation ng caretaker team, we also train them on how to save para they can also start a small business of their own and set aside money also for education, set aside money also for their support dun sa kanilang mga kapamilya sa pag-aaral. And of course, pag-emergency po. And when I was mayor, lahat po ng ito, kami ni Mayor Sonia, we made sure na every family in the GK Village may PhilHealth po sila. Kaya hindi sila natatakot pumunta sa hospital. Kasi alam niyo po, pag mahirap kayo, takot kayo pumunta sa doktor. Kasi alam nila, isang consultation mahal. So ngayon po, that they all have PhilHealth cards, naging mas confident po sila. At ang maganda po dito is, katulad po ng mga barangay health workers namin, whatever programs we implement for the whole town, kasali yung GK Village namin. At doon po sa aming partnership with St. Luke's Medical Center, I think Cabiao is the only community na ang partner namin in terms of yung sa rural health programs namin is St. Luke's Medical Center. Lahat po ng aking tao sa GK Village, may card din po sila. Ganito kami sa Cabiao. Pagpunta nila sa St. Luke's Medical Center. So, yung po mga kaso namin na talagang mahirap and talagang they need bigger hospitals, meron po kaming partnership with St. Luke's. Dinadala namin sila dito sa Manila para we make sure that they have yung quality service ng St. Luke's kahit mahirap sila. So, yun po yung nararamdaman nila. Kaya ngayon, komportable sila, nagmamalaki sila na sila ay tagabayan ng Cabiao. Yun po yung isang programa na ginawa namin doon sa aming villages. So ngayon, after 9 years po, marami po akong partnership na ginawa katulad ni Mayor Sonia dahil we are called twin mayors. Whatever yung best practices ng San Isidro, we also do it in Cabiao. Whatever I can share with Mayor Sonia, like Gawad Kanila, ginawa po naming pareho yan. Kaya, ang sikreto po siguro naming mga mayors, dapat talaga, we share best practices. And we share kung ano man yung logistics na pwede naming pagsamahan para sabay-sabay kaming aangat. And pag nangyari po yun sa bansang ito, sigurado hindi nyo nasasabihin na kami ay mga politiko, mga kurap. Sasabihin nyo na po, kami ay mga politiko, lingkod bayan. Maipagmamalaki ninyo. So ito po ngayon yung isang after 9 years of being mayor, ako po yung GK mayor, si Mayor Sonia naging GK mayor. Sabi po ni Father Ben, after being mayor, what will you do? Sabi ni Father. Sabi ko, I still don't know. Pero ini-invite niya po ako maging part ng GKBI. And sabi ko po sa sobrang inspirasyon na nagawa ko, nakita ko po yung 200 families in my town na nabago ang buhay. Can you imagine kung i-continue ko pa po in my town na all over Cabiao, I will have GK villages, sino pa po ang mamumroblema sa bayan namin? Lahat sila tatayo sa kanilang sariling kakayanan dahil mabibigyan nyo sila ng kapasidad, mabibigyan nyo sila ng malinaw na gagawin nila sa kanilang buhay. So yun lang po yung gusto kong sabihin na kung lahat kami na nasa LGU will do it this way, the GK way, wala pong maghihirap na maghihirap. But of course, mahirap po itong gawin. But if you don't start now, when? So after 9 years, ito po yung naging decision ko. Sabi ko, para mas marami pa maraming bayan ang makagawa ng Gawad Kalinga, I will join Gawad Kalinga Builders Institute. At dito po, marami kaming naging programa na iniikot po namin sa iba't ibang lugar ng bansa natin. Kasama ko po yung mga bata, mga kasing edad ko po sila when I came sa Ateneo. Sila po yung nakasama ko. Isa po dito mag-share sa atin what happened to Gawad Kalinga Builders Institute, si Mark Lawrence Cruz po. Kasing edad ko lang po siya.
Parang luging-lugi ako dun. Thank you, Mayor. First, I'll share with you the programs that ginawa namin ni Mayor. But maybe before I go to the programs, mahaba yung kwento nila. But my first work in Gawad Kalinga was really bringing students from Loyola schools, our college students, and even some from ASMPH when it was starting. When we go there regularly, one thing that gave me so much courage to actually go to Nueva Ecija are these two mayors. Dito si Mayor Sonia, dito si Mayor Baby. Just like many of us, we were brought up to think that mayors are corrupt, you don't work with them, and otherwise you'll be corrupted. Do everything without involving your mayors. But when I went to Nueva Ecija, sila lagi yung katrabaho namin. And they really revolutionized the way I understood politics in our country. That politics in our country can be a politics not of power, but of caring. Because these two mayors are always present. And I saw in them a kind of leadership that really inspired not just me, but a lot of students. And so, over a period of 1 or 2 years, we brought more than 300 students to both towns of Cabiao and San Isidro. And yung ba't tayo nagdadala ng tao doon is because the mayors are always present. Pag nag-build kami, nagbi-build sila. Pag may talk kami, nagtutalk sila. Pag nagpunta kami sa Mindanao, kasama namin sila. And so, this is one thing, it's the power of presence in politics that I've never seen in action. And so, while they were mayors, yung isa nakita ko maganda nangyari sa bayan nila, that was really my inspiration to join Mayor Baby and work for the Builders Institute, is that they really made their people believe again. Yung laging kinikwento nila, naniniwala uli sa kanila, yung dati niyang kaaway, kaibigan niya na ngayon. And then, you see them in their town, yung police kasama namin, yung police masayang katrabaho mag-build kasi hindi nila binibitawan yung baril nila. So, pag naghahukay sila ng pala minsan, yung Armalite nila nakatutok sa amin. So, nakakatuwa na makasama yung mga police na ganun. Hindi namin alam kung safe kami o tatamaan kami ng bala nila. Pero they kept on building with us. Police, tricycle driver, I saw the entire town mobilized. And so I think there was something going in there that was worth really sharing and studying. And that's exactly what we're doing in the Institute. We're involved with Gawad Kalinga, but what we want to build is not just houses, but we want to build capacities for these people. Yung isa pong mahalagang dapat malaman natin about GK is that GK was started by people who don't know how to build homes. The founders of Gawad Kalinga were not engineers or community development experts. They were very simple Filipinos like most of us here in this room, but with an extraordinary love for their people. And so, what I'm trying to say is they're all volunteers. Kaya nga nakakatuwa, yung mga unang bahay namin, minsan nakatagilid sa kanan, minsan nakatagilid sa kaliwa. It took some time before we actually perfected our model. Some of our communities, yung unang community sa Gabaldon, tinayo sa ilog, tinayo sa isang lugar, hindi namin alam, ilog pala yun pag tag-ulan. So, 10 na yung nakatayo doon, we had to abandon it. These were the kinds of mistakes that were happening on the ground. But no matter how much mistakes, you also begin to ask yourself, if they're so unskilled, but why are they able to build so many homes? Why are they able to build all over the country? Around that time, GK had 500 communities all over the Philippines. And wherever you go, the houses look more like the same. And parang sabi ko, ang galing ano? Nasaan po yung manual nyo? How do you learn how to do this? Ito po yung manual namin, nasa text. Tinitext lang sila, ini-email lang sila. And I couldn't believe it that they had no manual, they had no book by which to learn how they were doing. And yet, all over the country, the model was the same. And so, there was a unity of spirit in GK that interested us so much that Ateneo, with Mayor Baby, tumaya po kami in what we call the GK Builders Institute. Simply, what's that? It's simple lang po. GK is propelled what we call builders. Isa lang yung battle cry namin. As a university, our core business is in teaching and building capacity. And so we could build homes, but I think we could